So Cool short afro curl. They still using the caps with young Karen on there. Bam. No return after used up. It says pre-pluck. We might have to pray over it first. It's just ways it could go. It's ways. If it's right, it could be really right. But if it's wrong, it could be slap wrong, okay? I found this wig on Amazon. I got it Cyber Monday.
It was a couple of hours.
And this is the package sauce. Yes, we jumping right on into it.
Follow our Instagram. Let's be friends.
Let the church say subscribe.
I have used hair from this company before when I did the mini twist. Do you guys remember? Do you remember the time? Bam. And we're going to see how it's coming at it. No return after used up. You see that? It says right there, no return after used up. Which means if you use this wig up, you can't return it. You can't. You want to.
Can't.
Think about it.
Can't.
Wish you could.
Can't.
Honey, they got this. You're not going to be able to get in this box unauthorized. They put some matte color eyelashes in this box, 027. These are the ignorant kind, okay? Let's just be honest about this thing. I don't wear these, but they may get blessed for that because they did not have to put it in the package, but they did anyway. Oh girl, they still using the caps with young Karen on there. Bam. We're just gonna see, y'all. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not certain about this wig. This wig go one or two ways. We might have to pray over it first. It's just ways it could go. It's ways. I'm nervous about this part, but I feel like if it's right, it could be really right. But if it's wrong, it could be slap wrong, okay? So Cool short afro curl. Lace front wig, synthetic, kinky straight wig. How is afro curly and kinky straight? Who is writing y'all scriptures? With curly ends, 12-inch T-parts, Swiss HD transparent lace, bouncy hair, heat friendly, afro bob. Honey, this done been kinky straight, afro bob, afro curly. Ooh, but is this a side part? Oh no, she just has hers to the side with pride. That's cute though. Yeah, this lace, we're gonna have to, it says pre-pluck. But y'all, they have a lot of different wigs. But we're gonna see. Let's just see if it is able to do. It is nice and soft. Let me just take it out the. Okay, here we are, y'all. Now it's beautiful. Ooh, 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 it's nice and soft. 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 Now, when I edit that, it's gonna be a whole production, okay? You already know. Ooh, it's nice and soft.
It's nice and soft, y'all.
Ooh, it's nice and soft.
Ooh, yeah. It's nice and sickety soft.
It's nice and soft.
Get it soft.
That is cool. That's cute. The only part you can have is this part right here. You can't part off to the side with pride. See, that's cap right there. You can't part where the cap is. Just where that lace is, okay? They have predetermined that for your life. All right. 1, 2, 3 combs, an adjustable strap. That's it. That's all. We're going to have to pluck that. Can y'all see that? It's right there. It's just so closed up. Yeah, we got to open that up. But other than that, we're just going to pluck that a little bit. Now, I'm not expecting much for the hairline. Yeah, they say pre-pluck, but it's a T-part, so it's not but so pre-plucked that can be. Oh, let's see. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Join the family. Join the fun, because we have a lot of it over here. To my new cousins, what's up? My new friends of the family, hey. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Hit that. Hold a minute.